Hi, welcome to the Serenity Sew Along. I'm Kelly. I'm one of the members of the Love Notions team. I'm very excited to have you with me for this. So for this Serenity pattern, you're going to want a drapey knit fabric for this. We have this adorable crossover front. You can see this beautiful drape here. That's why we need drapey fabrics. We have two length options for the Serenity. So this is the hip length, and then there's also a crop length. There's 4 sleeve options, a long sleeve like I have on here today, or there's a 3/4 sleeve, a short sleeve, and even a sleeveless version. So many options in one pattern. Another option you have is for where the neckline sits. So I have this little tucked piece. I just tacked it right there. That's an option in the pattern. That brings the neckline up a little bit, or you can leave it down, or you can even tack it up a little higher. So you can really customize this piece to be what you want it to be. Serge Fabrics is our sponsor for this event, and I have some beautiful fabric from them that I'm so excited to share with you. So one of the fabrics I have is this mustard Hachi knit. They call it a Berlin Hachi knit. And you can see this just has beautiful drape. Gorgeous. This is one of the colors that was really popular last year. It's definitely carried over into this year as well. And what is so great about Serge is they even have a rib knit that coordinates perfectly with that. Look at that. I am very excited to do our new banded option with these fabrics. So the rib knit also has beautiful drape. You can do the entire Serenity sweater in this rib knit fabric and it would just be gorgeous. So I actually have 2 different colors of that Hachi. This one is Marsala. Yes, I wanted to make sure I was saying that correctly. It's a beautiful like burgundy color. Again, great drape. I am doing a sleeveless in this. This Hachi is really great because you can see that's the cut edge. It doesn't fall apart super, like it's not really delicate. So I anticipate this is gonna be really nice to work with and not give me fits. The main fabrics that I'll be using for this sew along are some double brushed polys. So this one is Misty on Smoky Mauve, and it has beautiful drape and then very characteristic good stretch with nice recovery. This is very characteristic of double brushed poly. So it's a bold print. Very excited to use this. If you get cold easily, double brushed poly is a wonderful thing to have in your closet. I'm always cold, so I love wearing it. I do have a daughter that tends to get warm easily, so it's not her favorite fabric, but those of us that are cold, this is perfect. And then I got a second double brushed poly. This is Lola on Midnight Navy. Again, another really bold print. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And great drape and nice stretch. Double brushed poly is a really nice option for this pattern. So these 2 double brushed polys, these are the fabrics that you're going to see featured in our videos and in the photos that will be featured on the blog. So if you like the feel of double brushed poly but you get hot easy, this athletic wicking fabric is great. Well, it's athletic brushed poly jersey. It's a little bit lighter weight. This is 125 weight, so it's a little bit lighter, and we tend to not get warm in this. You can see because it's lighter weight, it has a little bit more drape to it. Let's get them both up here and compare them. So you can see the drape difference in them. So if you like double brush poly but you get hot, this is a fantastic option for you. I have one more sweater knit that I'm going to be using this week, and this is a loose weave Hachi sweater. And you can see it's much thinner, but that's okay because Serenity is a layering piece. I'm wearing just a basic tank top under mine. You can also wear the Luna Cami, Summer Basics tank. Those are great options if you like to layer. So this will definitely be worn with layers. This Hachi, it curls a little bit more than the other, but I'm convinced I can make this work and work well for me. And as I'm going along, I'll share my tips with you. So let's look at the drape of this one. Beautiful. This would be really nice for those that live in a warmer climate year-round. This lightweight Hachi would be a really great option for you. So again, all of those fabrics are from Serge Fabric Shop. They're a sponsor for this sew along. This is a purple Hachi. This is several years old. I sewed this when the pattern was originally designed and released, so I don't remember where this fabric came from. I'm sorry, but you can tell that I do have a love for Hachi knits for this pattern with their great drape. They're lighter weight, easy to wear. You can't go wrong with them. So lightweight drapey knit fabrics, waffle weave knits, that brushed waffle weave, that's super popular this year. That is perfect for this pattern as well. If you have any questions about your fabrics, go ahead and post them in the comments, and we can help you clear up whether you've got a good choice or not. But really, as long as your fabric is knit with nice drape, has some good stretch, you will be fine with this. So here's the Serenity. This is what we're going to be sewing this week, and I can't wait to get started. Thanks!